So, this is Brianna, like, wait. This is Brianna having a freak out because she has met Lady Gaga's parents.
There you go.
She met Lady Gaga's parents, and like, this is what, she's like freaking out. And like, look at her, look at her. She's gonna go hide in the bathroom now. Look at this, get the hair out of her face, Look at this, this is a breakdown right here. Look, she's like in the corner crying. She's like having a mental breakdown.
Why are we crying,
Brianna?
What's going on? Who did you meet today? Who did you meet? Lady who? Lady in the Tramp? Lady in the Tramp, is that who you met today? No, she met Lady Gaga, guys. Leave Britney alone.
Leave Brianna alone.
Oh my god. Stop. Hey. Hey. Joking. Oh my god, stop.
Okay, just give one smile to the camera, Brianna.
One smile.
Just give a smile to the camera and then you go, Brianna.
How to do one.
Just one smile. Just one smile, Brianna. Just one smile. That's all we're asking for.
No. Do I have to get the rocks in here?
That's all we're asking for.
Are we done? There, you got it. I think you got it.
No, I didn't.
Oh man.
I don't think I did.
But she's smiling at the same time. Oh my god.
Just one smile, Brianna. Just one smile.
Okay, look normal at least. Stop crying. Stop